Hi, I'm a patient of Jay's. I was able to find him back in 2022, and I came in with perimenopausal symptoms and low testosterone, low energy, not feeling like myself, of course weight gain. So of course I'm getting a hydration IV now, but for me it was more or less, I just wanted to feel good every day so I could function at a high level, and I was able to find Jay, and I'm super excited about it. The staff here is so friendly and knowledgeable, helpful and responsive. They make it really easy for you as a patient, which is lovely. And I know they're opening up multiple clinics, which should make it better for people that are out there that they could help. So when you come in, what is really awesome that I have never had any other clinics do is there's an in-body scan, and you get on a little scale. It's pain-free, it's not scary, and you get a little printout, and it gives you your body composition, what you're currently at, and then the history as well, so you can kind of follow your progress, which is great. So it checks your weight, your lean muscle mass, your fat percentages, and all those things. So it really is a great guide to see how you're doing and how you're progressing, which has been awesome. So I love that. So you get a little printout, and it's an in-body test here in the office, so that's been terrific. I can tell you I've been to other clinics and they don't have the technology to really monitor your progress, which is great. I just feel so much better coming here. My results have been great, and I'm really grateful for that. I would recommend this clinic because Jay is so knowledgeable, first of all, but a friendly staff, and I know that they're gonna get great results coming here. He really does a great job of, I don't want to say fixing you, but he's definitely fixed me. So